Ross from Straightforward Drone brought an incredible and artistic eye to my project, providing a fresh perspective that exceeded all my expectations. Throughout the entire process, Ross demonstrated an outstanding level of professionalism and dedication. He was punctual, highly organized, and meticulously planned and executed every aspect of the shoot. It was evident that his commitment to delivering top-notch quality was unwavering in every interaction and deliverable. Working with Ross was not only seamless and enjoyable, but also true collaboration. His innate ability to make you feel comfortable and at ease allowed the creative process to flow effortlessly with all the extra takes that I did. His friendly and approachable demeanor made the entire experience a pleasure, while his passion for his craft shined through in every moment. I cannot recommend Ross from Straightforward Drone highly enough. His expertise in drone and video photography, coupled with his professionalism and commitment to excellence, truly sets him apart from the rest. When seeking a photographer who will precisely capture your vision and create visuals that leave a lasting impression, Ross is the one to call. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. So sometimes I can do these videos on my own without him, the small little projects, no problem. A lot of times we as agents can do that, but when you need someone for a big project with a drone, he is your guy to call because he made me look a lot better. And I don't think that my demeanor looked the best in the video, but it's only gonna get better. And I just appreciate Ross. So for sure, use Ross for all your drones needs. You're gonna love him. He's easy to work with, such a pleasure, has a smile, and joy just is all over him. So there you go, Ross. I hope that you get lots of business because you're fantastic.